think about your vision and your mission. One of the best and most profound books written in the last few years is Daniel Kahneman's Thinking Fast and Slow. His insight is that we need to use two different types of thinking to deal with the variety of situations we face in our daily lives. Fast thinking is the type of thinking that we use to deal with short term tasks and responsibilities, etc. The second type of thinking that Kahneman describes is slow thinking. That is when you step back and take more time to carefully think through the details of the situation before deciding what you are going to do. To become excellent in time management and to get your entire life under control, you need to engage in slow thinking on a regular basis. Start with a question: what am I trying to do? Before you step on accelerator of your own life, you must develop absolute clarity about what you are really trying to accomplish. In the Devil's Dictionary, Ambrose Bierce wrote that the definition of fantasism is redoubting your efforts after your aim has been forgotten. Keep the end in mind. Be clear about what outcomes you desire. As Stephen Covey said, start with the end in mind. If all you are working for is to earn enough money to pay your bills, it is going to be hard for you to build up and maintain a high level of commitment and enthusiasm. It is amazing that most hardworking people are labored on basis of false assumptions that they have never questioned. Many people are working very hard but going in the wrong direction. The process of asking tough questions requires slow thinking, but it can significantly